Yo, what's up, guys? So, in today's video, I have a trade recap for you guys. So, yeah, this is literally the trade recap of today. It's exactly the trade I took today. So, let's just start the video. Like and subscribe, anyways. So, yeah, today trade was unfortunately a loss. But, yeah, I'm going to go over the reason why I took the trade. And, yeah, all this loss, we can't stop it. It is always going to come, and we have nothing to do about it. So first off, price was in this 4 hour fair value gap. As you can see, it was clean as hell. No one could deny. And as you can tell, I was literally expecting a clean buy model. And if I didn't mention, this is on the Dow Jones on the US 30. So I was expecting a clean buy model. A tap into the 4 hour fair value gap, 15 minutes entry pattern. Target the 15-minute entry pattern, take my entry on the 3 minutes, then target a 1 to 2. So that my plan was as simple as that. But yeah, I guess I shouldn't have traded today because we had NFP around 2 p.m. EST time. So to cut all the bullshit, I had this 4 hour February gap prior. I went straight down to the 15 minutes time frame to look for a structure shift and anything like a POI, any PDRA that I could take an entry from. So as you can see, it was clean as hell. Let me remove it here. First off, we had the market structure shift right here from these highs right here. We also had change in the state of delivery right here. That's an order block, right? And we also had um an inverse fair value gap right here. So at this point, I was really liking what I was seeing because I was looking for longs, and we had two POY overlapping, and we also inversed this fair value gap above here, but I wasn't really looking at that fair value gap. We also inversed this fair value gap up here. So at this point, I was looking for longs, you get, because why not? As you can see, we had a sweep of liquidity right here. And if you know me, you know that I trade mainly market maker models. That's actually model that I trade from ICT. You get. So I was expecting to join on this buy model. As you can see, we had the set delivery, and we always we are. I was expecting the buy model to play out, and that's when I was willing to capital off. I'm willing to risk my capital on. You get. So with all this in mind, I went down straight to the 3 minutes. I know you guys, most people went down to the 1 minute time frame you get, but me, especially when I'm trading on this kind of 15 minutes POIs that is like not really clean enough. I'm not going to say it's not clean, but yeah, I like trading from the 3 minutes time frame you get because this 3 minute time frame it take more longer to give confirmation, but it is way more stronger than a 1 minute inverse fair value gap. So on the 3 minute time frame, this is what I saw right here. This inverse fair value gap. I was literally waiting because market opened 9:30, and so let me turn on my indicators, right? My I don't have my wait, I don't have my session indicators, but you get what I'm saying. Price open right here, right at this candle at 9:30. You get. So if looking at NQ or ES, any one of them, you can easily see that when markets opened right here, we had a sweep of this low right here. As you can see, price clearly. Oh, not this low. Hold on, hold on. Okay, look at the low right here. I didn't take this trade. I just placed it So yeah, we had a sweep of this low right here. We had a pullback and a sweep of this low, giving me a lower time frame SMT. And if you know how I trade that, that's also one of the few things that I'm looking for anytime I want to trade. So price gave me this SMT at these lows. So it added more confirmation to my model and to the setup that I was willing to trade. If you look on ES also, that's yes, that's a US 30 didn't sweep the low. But the reason why I took the trade on the Dow Jones is because US 30 didn't have any 4 hour clean value gap right here. But US 30 had a clean value gap like undeniable. But ES didn't have any fair value gap at this point right here. So that's why I took the trade on US 30 instead. So you get what I'm saying. So after that SMT on the lower time frame, that is literally all I'm waiting for. Then we had it in fast. I know it's actually really tiny. Then I took my entry just from this inverse value gap right here. My stop loss was here and I was risking 1% as I normally would risk. Then targeting a 1 to 2. That's my regular risk to reward. Then I was looking to move my stops to break even if we swept this highs right here because we had I think we had a 15 minute value gap right here. I think so. Yeah, we had a 15 minute value gap here. I was willing or looking to take my stop loss to break even if we hit this low. But unfortunately for me, price actually dropped back and swept these lows one more time. And swept the lows one more time. Then gave a clean entry. But the fact that I was already done trading because I'm not willing to take anything more than one trade because I see no I literally saw no reason why price dipped down to sweep this low. So I was not confident in this model anymore. And anyways, we had NFP. I think it's FOMC. You get we had FOMC in by 2 p.m. So price we are not expecting price to be as clean as it would normally be. So that's why I think that's why we had this little stick and destroy pattern right here. But anyways, that's it for the day. Also, don't forget to join the Discord and yeah, let's trade live together in here. That's it.